Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about charts. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how to create a chart object. So to do that, you need to select the range that includes your data series. So let's say I want a chart for this information here. When I highlight it, you'll get this quick analysis button. And if you click that and click charts, he'll give you some options for charts. So if you hover over, I'll show you what they'll look like. So I'm just going to choose one, and it will insert your chart for you. Now if you click off, you'll see now the chart is not selected. And if you want to move or size the chart, you have to make sure you click the chart, so you'll see this box show up around it. And then when you hover over the edge, you should get this 4-pointed arrow. That's how you move a chart. Now also, if you want to resize the chart, you go to one of these handles on the side, you get a 2-headed arrow, and you can drag to make it larger. Now another thing you can do is create a chart sheet, which puts a chart on its own sheet. To do that, again, you're going to select your information you want. You're going to click the Recommended Charts button, which is under Insert, Recommended Charts. So this again will bring you up some options for different kinds of charts. So again, I'm just going to select what I want to use. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click the Move Chart button, which is again under Chart Tools, Design, Move Chart. So this is going to ask me where I want to place it. So if I want to do a new sheet, I'm going to click New Sheet, and then I'm going to rename it. And click OK. So now you'll notice in the bottom here that the chart is in its own sheet. So here's where the data we selected, and now the chart in its own sheet. Another thing you're going to want to do is maybe apply a layout to the chart. To do that, we're going to make sure the chart is selected, or you're in the chart sheet. We're going to click the Quick Layout button, which is under Design, in the chart layouts. And here we're going to hover over, and it kind of has some different options for you. So you're going to choose the one you want to use. Now we can also apply chart styles, just like what you do in Word or Excel. And to do that, we're going to make sure our chart is selected. And we're going to click the Styles button under Design. And here we can hover over to see different options. Now we can also print a chart with the source data. So to do that, we're going to make sure our cell's selected. So just any cell in the worksheet, we're going to go File, Print. Make sure it's all in one sheet. If it's not, you can resize it or change the landscape or portrait view, and then you would just click Print. So now you're going to have your first pause and practice. It's on page E3-137.